In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com, guiding you through some essential steps to help enhance your experience with the Wix platform. First, we'll need to head over to the Wix setup page. You can do this by visiting manage.wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the setup section in your dashboard. This page is a powerful tool offering all the resources you need to get your Wix site up and running. Here, you'll find various options that help you configure the basics of your website, including site settings, payment solutions, and more, enabling a smooth setup process. Once you're on the setup page, our next task is diving into the editor. Navigate your browser to editor.wix.com. This is where the creative magic happens. Once you're in, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Add Elements. This section houses a multitude of design assets, ranging from text boxes and images to advanced elements like contact forms and interactive features. It's quite vibrant and full of possibilities, so don't hesitate to explore what's available to bring your ideas to life. When you're ready, hover over the different types of buttons available. Buttons are incredibly versatile elements that can be used for various purposes, such as navigating to different site pages or prompting users to take action, like subscribing to your newsletter. As you explore, think about what kind of buttons might enhance your visitor's journey on your site. If you're unsure, try experimenting with a few options. Sometimes the most unexpected choices can make a site stand out. Now let's incorporate an Excel file. Choosing an Excel file can be particularly useful when you need to present data cleanly or create a dynamic interactive element on your site. Hover over the data options you find in the HTML editor and select the Excel file that you wish to integrate. This is a fantastic way to ensure your site not only looks appealing, but also functions effectively, especially if you're managing an online store or showcasing client-driven projects. After going through these steps, it's crucial to save your progress. Before navigating away from the editor or making additional changes, click on the Save button. This solidifies all the adjustments and elements you've implemented, preventing any frustrating loss of work. It's always a good habit to save frequently. Think of it as digitally locking in your hard work. And there you have it, a straightforward guide through some core functions of Wix's Manage and Editor portal. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment and try different things, the more you'll discover what works best for you and your site's unique needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!